Many organizations are facing challenges when they are looking for a large commercial space. And even if they find commercial spaces, the challenges are traffic congestion, commercial space in cluttered areas, and parking issues. Malhotra Estate, South Delhi, presenting you a better alternative for so many reasons. It comes in a free zone licensing jurisdiction, floor plate of 2500 square feet, parking space for 5 to 6 four-wheelers, 3 covered and 3 outside the property. The property near Saket metro station is conveniently located, and that's the biggest advantage of the property. Reach out to Malhotra Estate, South Delhi for more information.